Hey Cyber Chumps, Real Cyber Doctor here. Today I'm going to be answering the $1 million question. How can I start my cybersecurity career? Let's go. Cyber Chumps, Real Cyber Doctor here. Today I'm going to be learning career. It's very, very steep. Yes, the resources, the mental faculty has to. Today I'm going to be answering a lot of questions. Now this question, we're going to go straight to the point. And I want you to listen very carefully. The first thing you need to do before starting your cybersecurity career is to find a mentor. Find someone who has walked the walk and applied cybersecurity successfully over the years. Do not find people who just BS their way or just talk the talk. It's important because it's going to save you time and it's going to save you money. Now, if I go back 11 years ago when I started and I have to do it all over again, I'm not going to just get one mentor. I'm going to get 2, 3, 4 mentors. Can you imagine a Mike Tyson without a costume at all? It's impossible. You cannot be talented enough or skilled enough without having people teach you the ropes, especially when you're starting. Do not waste your time buying courses. Do not waste your money. Do not waste your resources taking degrees that you don't need. The first thing you need to do is find a mentor. This is the most important advice. And that is why I've created the Real Cyber Nation. The Real Cyber Nation is going to be one of the most important cybersecurity mentorship program ever created since the dawn of time, and it's a private Discord invite only channel. Now if you want to know how to join the Real Cyber Nation, check the description below. Follow every simple instruction there, and then I'll see you on the other side. Now the second point is you need to work on a cybersecurity project every single day. You need to work on a cybersecurity project every single day. Now, cybersecurity is a field like no other. It requires relentless work. The application of technology from a security perspective on a daily basis across multiple fields. That's what cybersecurity is. The application of tech from a security standpoint across multiple fields. So you need to do projects. For example, have you designed and developed a website before? Do you understand how client-server architecture is? You have to implement this technology. It's very important. Cybersecurity is not picking a tool like Kali Linux and scanning networks and trying to look for vulnerabilities. That's not cybersecurity. That's part of the process and the workflow of cybersecurity. So you need to develop a website. Have you built an infrastructure network before? It's so easy to do in a virtualized environment today. You can simulate it as well. There's so many free simulation tools. Every single day, build a network. Yes, different topologies of the network. Try it, test things out. Every single day, look for open source free projects that you can contribute to. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, your experience will be more important than your degree. I've said it before, you don't need a degree in this field. All you need is experience. 3, you need to stay up to date with the latest trend. Now, this is very important. Look at me. Every day, something is happening. Somebody's getting hacked. Somebody's getting smacked technologically. Okay? You need to find out what's going on and how it's happening. All you need to know about what is happening, the trend, is what it is, how it happened, what can I do about it? What happened? How did it happen? And what can I do to mitigate it? That's what you should be looking for in every single trend. For example, if I'm discussing cybersecurity with you in the Real Cyber Nation forum and you don't know about wormhole breach attack, you've never heard about the supply chain attack, you've never heard about the WannaCry ransomware attack, I'm just going to kick you out of that forum immediately. So you have to be aware what is going on. Regardless of the space, regardless of the field. Even if it's the aerospace, I want to know what's going on. What are the vulnerabilities there? What's the latest trend there? Number 4, you need to obtain any certification you like. Any certification at all. There are so many certifications. Pick one. If you don't like certifications, go through the training. It's important. Certified ethical hacking training is extremely important. It's a baseline for most cybersecurity career to begin. You can do the CompTIA, CIS Plus, Network Plus, Pentest Plus, all the plus. It's fine. It's good to get 1 or 2 certifications. If you're more ambitious, you can go for the CISSP, the Certified Information Security Professional. Number 5 is the last one I'm going to leave you with, and it's very important. Now, apply every day, especially after the first 6 months or 1 year. Apply every day for an entry-level position. Apply for an entry-level position every single day of your life. One day, they're going to give you a call. They're going to send you that email. And if you don't get that entry-level position, it's important you find voluntary positions. You want to volunteer your time, especially with your mentors. If you ask your mentors, they're going to point you in the right direction. Oh, I'm working on this project. I'm doing that project. You can get some experience and, bring your CV. Let's, cook it up and help you, So it's important. You must get busy every single day, applying and testing your skills. Now, it could be a paid position, like I said, or it could be a voluntary position. Whichever way, get the experience. So remember, the first point is get a mentor. Second point is work on cybersecurity projects every day. The third point is stay up to date with the latest security trends. Especially now, there is something called the global cyber war. I'm going to create a different episode on that to address those questions there. Number 4, you need to obtain 1 certification at least, just 1, Number 5, apply for entry-level positions or volunteer your time. Now, check the description below now. Take action. See the criteria to join the real cyber nation, because something big is about to happen in this space. Now, if you have any question regarding this episode or any other thing I've talked about, just leave your comments in the comment section below. I always reply. Trust me. I deal with your questions, very important, because that's the reason I'm here. Now, until the next time we meet, get busy in cybersecurity activities. I'll see you soon. Hey, Cyber Champs, Real Cyber Doctor here. Today I'm going to be learning it's very, very steep. The resources, the mental faculty has to. Today I'm going to be answering a lot of questions